Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you are enjoying these digital classes. Is it? Yes. So welcome again in our music class. Okay. Before this we have completed our some assembly parts that you know, and after that we started our next or new topic, that is swar. And in last session you have learned about what is swar, the definition of swar, how many swars are there in music, and the full names of swar. Is it? Have you wrote that and recite that? Yes, very good. And if it is not, then you have to write all the notes in your notebook. Okay. Now today we are going to start same topic, but next session of same topic, that is swar. Okay. Now in this session what we are going to learn? In this session we are going to learn types of swar. Okay. Now you know how many swars are there, but we'll revise once. Okay. You can see on board I have wrote one definition. What is swar? Useful melodious sounds used in music are called as swar. Okay. Already I have told you what is swar, and in that now you know what is swar. That means swar means what? Which words or which sound? Yes, very good. We can listen, or we are listening that all the melodious sounds that called as swar. Okay, which is very soothing for our ears, and we are listening that, and that's why we are saying that this song is very nice, this tune is very nice. Okay, so all these things you are familiar with that. Now this also you know that which is 7 swars are there. Okay, primary notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, these all are primary notes, means primary swars, which are 7. Yes, 7 swars are there. Okay, so now we are going to learn how many types are there of swar. Okay, because you know, have you seen harmonium? Okay, if it is 7 swars are there only, then why this much keys are there? About 32 keys are normally there on the harmonium. Already you have seen that that black and white keys. White keys are downside and black keys are upside. Yes, but what is the purpose of that? If there are only 7 swars, then why the 32? What is the need of that? Okay, so it shows, it means this type can shows us what is the need of that 32 keys. Okay, there are main 2 types of swar which I am going to write. Okay, swar, there are main 2 types which are there. First is Shuddha swar. Okay, first is Shuddha swar, and the second one is Vikrit swar. Okay, these are main 2 types of swar, which are there? Shuddha swar and Vikrit swar. Now what is it? Shuddha swar means what? Shuddha swar means all the primary notes which cannot change their places. Okay, but means all swars are there in Shuddha swar. Okay, means in our normal voice we can sing that swar. Okay, there are means they cannot change their places. Okay, or they can't change their places. Okay, so these are all Shuddha Swar. I will give the definitions of all in detail, and with the help of that you have to write that definitions in your notebook. Okay, but first of all just learn what I am going to say. Okay, so now got it, what is Shuddha Swar? Now what is Vikrit Swar? Now Vikrit Swar means some swars are moving from their original place. Okay, they can move above the original note, or they can move lower than original note. Okay, so that means, or that called Vikrit Swar. Okay, they are moving here and there. Here and there means only upscale of the original swar and downscale of the original swar. Okay, so that called are Vikrit Swar. Now Vikrit Swar has also two parts. Okay, which are there? Vikrit Swar has also two parts or two types, we can say. That is, first is Komal Swar, and the second one is what is that? Tivra Swar. Okay, Komal Swar and Tivra Swar. Okay, now from this name you can identify which are the Komal and which are the, what is the Komal Swar and what is the Tivra Swar. Because just now I told, in Vikrit Swar, swar can change their places from the original note or original space. Okay, they can move above the original page, or they can move the lower from original page. Okay, so that means if they are moving lower pitch from the original note, they can call Komal Swar. Okay, and if they are moving above the swar, above the original place or original pitch or original tone, then they are called as Tivra Swar. Now got it? Komal Swar means what and Tivra Swar means what? See, now according to this, all the 32 keys are arranged on harmonium or on keyboard or on piano. Okay, number of keys or number of what we can say, number of keys white and black are different in every harmonium, piano and keyboard, but there are minimum 32 keys according to this. Okay, see, in that Shuddha Swar are there, Shuddha Swar are arranged, Komal Swar are arranged, and Tivra Swar are also arranged. Got it? Now we'll revise once. First, two main types, that is Shuddha Swar and Vikrit Swar. Now what is Shuddha Swar? Shuddha Swar means all these primary notes. Okay, and the Vikrit Swar are, they can change their places in lower pitch and above the pitch. Okay, that called as Vikrit Swar. And Vikrit Swar has also two parts or two types, which are the Komal Swar and Tivra Swar. Okay, now what is Komal Swar? If the swar is moving lower pitch, is moving to the lower pitch from the original tone, then that called as Komal Swar. Okay, and if the swars are moving above the pitch from the Yes, from the original sound or original pitch, then that called as Tivra Swar. Okay, now for example, if we are talking in our original tone, okay, and if we are talking very slowly or very slow in sound, okay, so that is called as Komal Swar. If that means, see, now my original voice you can hear, but if I am talking with you in my lower pitch, that means, for example, I will show you. So we can learn this and this. Okay. Now this sound you can hear properly. Okay. So this, but this is for example only, because in music they are means that Komal Swars are also we can say we can hear that. Okay. But this my sound is original one, and if I am talking with you in lower volume, then that called as Komal Swar. And if I am talking with you in larger volume, then that is Tivra Swar. Okay, now you got it, the difference between Komal Swar and Tivra Swar. Okay, now examples are there, means all the swars cannot change their places from their original place. Okay, only some swars from these 7 notes can change their places. Okay, now what are they? Yes, so I will tell you which are the Komal swars from this original 7 primary notes. Okay, which are they? For examples are Re, Ga, Dha, Ni. Okay, only these 4 swars can change their places in normal swar to Komal swar. Okay, from normal swar to Komal swar. Now got it? So these 4 swars can only change their place. These are examples of Komal swar. Now what is the example of Tivra swar? Yes, there is only one swar, that is Ma. Only Ma can change their place from original one to Tivra swar. I mean, the only Ma is there which can travel to original sound, from original sound to the higher note or above the pitch. Okay, now got it, the examples of Komal swar and Tivra swar. Yes, now one more point is there, how we can identify this is a Komal swar or this is a Tivra swar. Yes, one sign is there for identification. Okay, now what is that sign? See, all the swars are written here already. Now I have to show that these are Komal swar. Then what can I do? Yes, one sign is there. That means you have to give a line downside to that swar. Re, Ga and Dha and Ni. So Dha and Ni. Okay, so like this you have to show which is the Komal swar. Okay, and now which sign is there for the Tivra swar? How we can show this is a Tivra swar? Which is the Tivra swar from this? Yes, Ma. So we have to just give a line above the swar, or we can just a point also. Okay, but we'll just refer with the line only. Okay. Now, have you got it? Which are the signs for Komal Swar and Tivra Swar? Okay, so here we completed our this session. In this session, what we learn? We revise first the what we can say definition, then the primary swars that are 7, and then we started types of swar. First we saw main 2 types, that is Shuddha Swar and Vikrit Swar. Then we took types of Vikrit Swar. There are 2 types, Komal Swar and Tivra Swar. Then we saw the examples of Komal Swar and examples of Tivra Swar. And at the end we saw how we can show that Tivra Swar and Komal Swar in primary notes. Okay, so in next session I will show you this Komal Swar or Tivra Swar on harmonium. Okay, how it can sound, means the difference between Shuddha Swar and Komal Swar, the difference between Shuddha Swar and Tivra Swar. Okay, that I will show you practically on harmonium in next session. Okay, till that, thank you so much.